Hello, dear students. Today I am discussing about the magnetic force between two parallel current flowing conductors. In the previous video, I discussed magnetic force due to one state current flowing wire kept in magnetic field. But today I taken this is another case that when two parallel conductors are kept. See in this diagram, this one is a case 1, this one is a case 2. Case 1, what happening here? Two wires are here, AB and CD, two wires are there, and these wires are kept in parallel. See, and in both wires current is flowing in same direction. Here I1 and here I2. Current is flowing in the same direction, and in other case current is flowing in opposite direction. See what happens, how the force acts between the two parallel current flowing wires. The first one is, see, this one is AB wire. Let I1 current is flowing in this wire. This I1 is the current flowing in AB wire. Clear? When current is flowing in this wire, a magnetic field is produced. Why the magnetic field is produced? Due to the magnetic effect of current. So what will be the direction of magnetic field? This one is the direction of magnetic field. You know very well. This is from the right hand curve rule or Maxwell right hand screw rule. So you can use this one. This is a current and this is the magnetic field. And when, see, that's the beauty of here reasoning, that in this magnetic field another wire CD is kept. Which wire? CD wire is kept in this magnetic field which having I2 current. And when this current flowing wire kept in the magnetic field, this experiences a force. CD experiences a force. Why experiences force? Because CD is kept in the magnetic field of AB, and AB I1 current flowing wire having a magnetic field. So when a current flowing wire CD kept in the magnetic field of AB, then a magnetic force produced on CD. Similarly, when I2 current is flowing and a magnetic field produced due to the I2, and in that magnetic field AB is kept, then a magnetic force also produced. Means a magnetic field force produced by AB, a magnetic force produced by CD. What will be the direction of magnetic force? B will decide it. So B will decide the direction of magnetic force. Which law is used? Tell me. For the magnetic force Fleming left hand rule. What is the Fleming left hand rule? See now here, guess here. FBI. Make sure this is a force, this is a field, this is a current. So see, you set the direction of current because direction of current is given first. So direction of current is this one. See, say this one. Direction of current along the middle finger. Then magnetic force will be along the forefinger. Then force will be along the thumb. Force acts along the thumb in this direction. Similarly here. So both forces are acting in same direction. The forces acting in same direction means they will attract to each other. What happens there? They will attract to each other. Why they will attract to each other? Why both wires will attract to each other? Since the forces acting in same direction. Forces are in same direction. Since forces are in same direction, therefore in this case magnetic wires will attract to each other. And here see, here if the current flowing wire is kept here, current flowing wire, see this one formula will be used for CD. In this case magnetic field is there and this is the magnetic force, means it is outward. This is a magnetic force. In this case magnetic force will be like that, inward. So here two forces are acting, but they are acting opposite to each other. They are acting opposite to each other, like this one. When they are acting opposite to each other, see both pens, current direction same, means they will attract to each other. The direction of current is different, they will repel to each other. Why? Because the forces are acting opposite to each other. So this concept you read in book, this is given in your book, very clear. But now there is need of formula, so we will calculate the formula. See, we will calculate the formula. So what we are making here magnetic field due to AB wire. What will be the magnetic field due to the AB wire? See, always you link with the previous topic. So this can be calculated. You read in Ampere's law, and one application of Ampere's law is given to find the magnetic field in straight wire. So the formula is B equal to mu 0 upon 4 pi 2I1 upon D. See very carefully. Here B is the magnetic field due to this. 2I1 means I1 is the current flowing wire and D is the distance up to this distance. Now when CD is kept in B, जब CD को इस B में रखोगे तो क्या फोर्स होगा? F12 माने पहले के मैग्नेट माने दूसरे में जो मैग्नेटिक फोर्स प्रोड्यूस हो रहा है पहले के कारण से, F12 इक्वल टू क्या फार्मूला आपको बताया है? BIL sin theta. What is here theta? Theta is here 90. Since theta is here 90, sin 90 is 1. F12 is B. Here Bill, sorry. Here Bill sin theta, BIL. So put here value of B, mu 0 upon 4 pi 2I1 I2 upon D into L. So this is the force. Make patience, make always patience. Okay, this one is 2, this one is 3. Okay, now tell me what is F12? F12 is the force on 2 by the first wire. This is the second wire, this is the first wire. Force on second due to the first. This is the formula. Okay, now similarly you can say force on second by first equal to the same 0.4 pi 2I1 I2 upon D into L. But here F12 and F21 same magnitude you are looking, same magnitude and same direction from where you will get for direction like that. If you are getting here F12, you are also getting here F21, same direction they are acting. So what they will do, they will attract, wire will attract to each other. Now clear? And always use this one analogy. See in the book their diagram is given, you also use there. How first you fix the direction of current, because direction of current is given, so you put the direction of current here, magnetic field will this one downward. Similarly second one same direction, so attraction. But when the current is flowing in opposite direction, then only the discussion matter is direction of magnetic force. Rest will be okay. Means this force will be again mu 0 upon 4 pi 2I1 I2 upon D into L. But in opposite case wires will repel. So this is the main concept, wires will repel. Why? How? See, this is I1 current, this is I2 current. magnetic force here acting this one, but here magnetic force is acting F21, means both are in opposite direction. When there is opposite direction, they will repel. So when you are making the direction, current, force and field, always think in 3D, never think in 2D. Like here, when you will think about these two diagram, you will say, sir, in this case these two wires are attracting to each other, but in 3D you think in 3D, like that. See, two are opposite direction current, so one force is acting this side, one force is acting this side, so they will repel. But if the current is the same direction, one force is acting this side, this force is acting this side, so they will attract. Okay, so this one is the basic concept. And now you also see the numerical problem given in your textbook. Some questions are given in example, some questions are given in exercise, but mainly you see the previous year board papers. Few questions always came on the formula F equal to 0.4 pi 2 I1 I2 d by L. Here make sure the terminology. What is the I1? Current in first wire. What is I2? Current in second wire. What is D? Distance between the wire. What is L? Length of the wire kept in the magnetic field. Now see, I am making one practical problem to you, and you see it. See, let this one is example. Sorry, second pen. This one is the example. Two wires are there. Make sure this I1 is the 5 ampere. Okay, this I2 is the 10 ampere. Okay, the distance between them is 2.5 centimeter. Okay, and length of this wire is 10 centimeter. Find force per unit length. ये फर्स्ट वायर है, ये सेकंड वायर on second wire. Okay, now see, if you understand the concept, if you understood the concept, then you can easily make it. So which formula will use? या पहले के कारण से दूसरे पे लगने वाला फोर्स F12 म्यू 0/4 पाई 2 I1 I2 d by L. What you are saying? Force per unit length means the question is F12 by L equal to, this is required, force per unit length is required. It's clear? Okay, mu 0.4 pi 10 to the power minus 7, constant value this one. 2 I1 ampere SI unit, I2 SI unit, D is equal to 2.5 cm and here 10 cm. Okay, so cm cancelled, no problem, and you solve it. So 400 into 10 to the power minus 3. So 400 into 10 to the power 400 into 10 to the power minus 7. So you can write 4 into 10 to the power minus 5 Newton. Okay. So this way you can find, so many questions are given in your exercise, in your reference books, you solve them. So this is for today. And what I saw that one day I made a class in Google Meet. So what was the problem in Google Meet? That most of the time is spent on the discussion. In your physics or in your science, there is no space, or we can't say a good platform in Google Meet. So this is the best platform, what I think, because you can also revise in your time. At any time you can see the video, but the problem is the quality of audio and video. So this I am trying to improve. You also see all the things in laptop. In that you will see the clear vision, clear sound, and you continue it. You also heard about the result, Vidyalaya result. You heard about this year. In 2019, the highest marks in physics is 95. out of 100, 95, and second one is 93. And similarly means 3 students got the more than 90, rest are less than 90, but maximum student got the good marks. And I hope because there was the regular class and so many practice, so they got enough confidence. For you, this is very important that you make your note with the help of the book, and in each video I am telling this thing, and you make your understanding, solve the problem, and when will be the opening, and we will fill the shortcomings what are there. So thank you, have a nice day.